On the SEM average sheet, we are going to use consolidation to work out the average marks for semester 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we start by selecting the range where you want to put your answers, and you go to Data, Consolidate. The function we are going to use is average, and now we are going to select the ranges. On the red arrow, go to semester 1, select the range, go back and add. Again red arrow, semester 2, select the range, red arrow and add. And so we repeat that for semester 3 and back and add, as well as semester 4. Select, back and add. You can just double click that all 4 sheets are there. Then we are going to create a link between the source data and that sheet, and we click on OK. On range 1, we are going to work with calculations. First, we are going to name the ranges. So the first one, we select the range web, right click, define the name. It's already web and OK. The second one is Excel, right click, define the name and OK. And the last one is Theory 3. Right click, define the name. Be careful, they are not allowed to have any spaces between the two, so if you want it to be displayed as one word, you must remove that underscore, and we click on OK. Now we are going to use those named ranges and the following functions to firstly calculate the highest web mark, so it's equals to max, and then you can start typing web. As you press a W, a web will appear there. Double click, close your bracket and enter. The second one we're going to calculate is the average if Excel is a pass mark. So we only want to take in considerations the marks that are passed. So 14 and 48 will not be considered. So it's equals to average if in this range, that is my range, comma, and now comes the criteria. In other words, all the marks greater than or equals to 50, and we have to put it in inverted commas. Greater than equals to 50. Close inverted comma, close your bracket and enter. Now we are going to calculate the total, which is the sum if the theory mark is a fail. So it's sum if in the Theory 3 range, comma, and the marks is less than 50. Close the inverted comma, close the bracket and enter. Number of students whose surname is August, so we're going to use count if in this range of surnames, comma, and your criteria is August. And then lastly, we are going to calculate the total project weight. In other words, we want to add up all the values of project times weight plus project times weight. And for that, we are going to use an array function. So it's equals to sum of this range multiply by this range, close your bracket, and then it's Control Shift Enter.